So getting tired of the wait for Cydia, I began to just do it the manual way and install some tweaks on Electra. And let me say, it wasn't pretty. You do not have any idea how much Cydia makes everything easy for us. And so what is Electra right now? Electra is basically your Pepsi and your Coke. I'm sorry I don't have the classic Coke, but it's basically one of those two. It's like you're not quite there, but you're not far away as well. So anyway, Yomitosh here, back with another video, and this is what I have for you. I have my iPhone SE iOS 11.1.2 running Electra jailbreak, and I've installed Vixilum, and I've also got Fluidity and Zeppelin on my iOS 11, rather iPhone SE. What took me so long to remember that? Okay, so Fluidity has been great. By the way, let me mention we're currently on beta 10 for the Electra jailbreak, and Fluidity still feels great. It's smooth and slick on my SE, and it's got the new option that has the iPhone 10 notification bar, although I don't use that on my SE because the screen is already small enough as it is. And going into the Zeppelin settings right now, Zeppelin has always been great. I love that Batman logo up there. I feel it's probably the coolest from the stock logos. I usually like to have it in the middle though, but I don't have the Move Enabler 9 that I had in iOS 10, so I can't do that just yet. So looking at the desktop, everything looks great. Anemone works fine, nothing is broken, everything is working smoothly. And just going into the folder where I have my Anemone, you see that the Anemone app itself has gotten the tweaked icon. And the painstaking method I had used to install all these tweaks, by the way, I'll leave the video in the description, is this long method where I had to copy some apps from zip app free into, extract it rather, and then go into filter and then move the files one by one because it doesn't allow bulk movement. And let's just say it wasn't pretty. Cydia helps just ease out the whole process. So being on this jailbreak-esque train for a while, I've got a few videos on my YouTube channel that I'd like you guys to take a look at. It's all the iOS 10 videos, jailbreak tweaks rather. Over the course of iOS 10, it should be useful in the near future when Saurik releases Cydia. And that's about it for this video, guys. It's been great. I'm missing jailbreak so much right now, and I like the fact that it has not been detected by so many of like the security aimed apps, so you can still use your banking apps and your PayPal and all that. Guys, Yomitosh here. Peace.